there is a next aggregated function we call it as sum. By giving the name itself, you will understand like what is sum. Sum is addition. Many times we are in a situation where we need to find out the sum of something. Sum of something means sum of maybe salary. Okay. Now we have an employee table where we have a salary of different people like 10,000, 20,000, 30,000. We had find out the average, like on an average how much salary we are giving it to the employee. Now I'm in a situation where I want to find out the total calculation. So 10 plus 20 plus 30, it is 60,000 I'm giving to all the employee. This is called sum. So earlier we were doing it with the help of addition, like we were doing it manually. Now it's possible with the help of predefined aggregate function, and that is sum. Let's try to see it in the documentation. Select sum of column name from table name. Along with that, you can also use the where condition. Let's say you want to find out the sum of salary of employee table for some particular country. So for some particular country means we need to use a where condition there. Let's see this practically. So here I can see the salary column is there. Let me tell you the sum of salary. Select sum of salary. If I check the sum of salary for all the employee, I'm getting the sum of salary is this one. But I'm looking for some particular country where country 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 equals to, I'm looking for let's say China. I don't see the country column there. It looks like there is some other column is there. Let me describe it. This is the best way, when you are not sure what is the column name, or maybe you are giving some wrong column, just describe it. You will get to know about the column. We don't have first name, last name. Oh, we don't have country. So let's do it with the help of gender. GNDER, and gender is male. I hope this is coming in the same way. Yeah, I can see. For male, this is a sum of salary. If I do female, FEMALE, the way it is there in the database, same way we need to write down here female. So for female, this is the salary. This is a sum of salary. Okay, for male and female, this is how. So along with the where condition also you can do that. Along with, if you don't want to use where condition and you just want to run the query on full table, you can do that. So this is how we can troubleshoot the things, and you can find out the average of any particular table, average or sum, or again count also you can check. Thank you.